How to log in into Amazon A to Z employee portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Amazon A to Z employee portal. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up a web browser. After you do that, head over to this, simply search for Amazon A to Z employee login. After you do that, you'll find Amazon's login option right here. Tap on this. Head over to A to Z, this website, a2z.amazon.work, and you should be on this page. So what we'll do is we'll simply tap on I'm a corporate employee. And after you tap on this, I'll be prompted to this page. Now simply type in your Amazon's username and then your PIN. After you type in your PIN, tap on sign in and you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how simple it is, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.